guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you some really cool and aesthetic CD art which can be used as a wall decor, and I really hope that you guys like this idea. I have explained some techniques on how you can paint. Also, I'm editing another fluid art video that should be out this week or maybe by next week. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's get started with this one. So I'm using this old CD and oil colors for this one. The first step here is to paint the surface white. Now this will make all the colors pop and blend very easily. So I mixed Persian blue and crimson lake. This makes a very pretty purple color, and we're gonna need a pretty purple color because we are making a gradient aesthetic sky, because we're gonna make some clouds. But how do you make clouds? Well, this is a basic rule and might help you and will definitely make things easier. Before that, let's take a moment to admire how beautifully the colors are blending here because of the white we used earlier. This makes such a gorgeous background for the clouds. Now, the basic rule here is to work with the shadows, midtones and highlights. You can see here I'm only marking where I want the clouds to be, basically planning the placement of the clouds. If you like what you're watching, please consider subscribing, guys. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, and also press the bell icon while you're at it. First, I'm gonna start with the shadows by using these dark colors, dark violet that I created by mixing blue and red. For the midtones, I used white directly on the CD because it already has the darker colors, and you can see I'm blending both of them. Lastly, for the highlights, I used white, but this time I did not blend it completely. I just blended the edges so it doesn't appear to be a straight white line. And after completing all these essential steps, I made some finishing touches according to how the sky looks. Lastly, I felt a need to add a darker shade, so I used a very tiny amount of black. I did not take it out on the palette, I just used it directly from the tube, a very tiny amount of black, just to add some darker shades. Then I painted two more CDs off camera. These I painted with acrylic color so it dries quicker. And for pasting these CDs to the wall, I have used this double-sided tape. I'm quite happy with how these turned out. I hope the techniques that I explained makes things easier for you as well. If they do, please let me know in the comment down below. Your feedback will be really appreciated. I hope you guys liked the video and the idea behind it. If yes, please smash the like button down below and share it with your friends on social media. I will see you guys next week. Bye.